How to fix Google Play Games error occurred. So basically, one of the common issues when signing in or installing games or syncing progress, but one of the first or most common solutions you could try is just restarting the Google Play Games completely. You can close the app and then try reopening it if for some reason you haven't done that yet. And you can also force stop the actual Google Play Games itself. So to do this, you can go into your settings and then search for apps in the search bar. So or wherever you want to find your apps. But in your apps, go ahead and search for Google Play Games. You can scroll for it if you want, but we're just gonna search it like so. So once you're there, just go ahead to your Google Play Games and then force stop the app if it is open. So right there, force stop as well. You can also clear cache as well, which is found in the clear data button in the bottom right, or pretty much depends on your device. So before you leave the settings, clear your cache first. So press on clear data and then clear your cache. You can also check your internet as well since Google Play Games require stable connection. So before proceeding to anything else, make sure you have a stable connection. Look at your signal if it's good, and if your internet is stable, you can do this by looking at different platforms like YouTube or TikTok. See if you're lagging there, and if you are, then the reason could be because of your internet connection. And if it is, you're gonna have to look for a better internet connection. You could switch to different connections or try using your mobile data if you have some, but as long as you have a stable or good internet connection. Make sure you have app permissions for this app allowed as well. If it does ask you for it, if not, then there's not really a need to do so. And finally, make sure your Google Play is updated. Usually, this is the last thing you can worry about since it still works, even if it's a little outdated. But just to be sure, you can go to your Play Store to check for this. Search for your Google Play games, it should be there. Google Play, like so. And then once you're there, make sure you have it on the latest version. So if there's an update button, just go ahead and press on that. That means you're not on the latest version yet. So make sure it is updated. And you can also try switching to different accounts as well. This could do like a little restart. You can try logging in with a different Google account, and if it works, your main account has a sync issue. So afterwards, you can just switch back to your main account or whichever you're using first. But those are most of the things you can look for when you're having problems with your Google Play games. You can also try just restarting your phone in general since this app does work in the background. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.